Next, we'll demonstrate pattern S3. You can see some patterns are already embroidered, while some are not. Let's demonstrate these unfinished patterns. First, we'll demonstrate the cable chain stitch using 4 strands of color number 4. First, bring up at the far right. Then, left hand holds thread. Right hand holds needle. Wrap the thread once around the needle. Insert back at the same spot. Bring up vertically ahead. Push the needle forward. Wrap the thread under the needle. Let's demonstrate again. Left hand holds thread. Right hand holds needle. Wrap once around the needle. Insert at the outer edge of the first chain. Bring up vertically ahead. Push the needle forward. Then wrap the thread behind the needle. Pull upward, forming a chain link. Let's demonstrate once more. Insert. Bring up vertically ahead. Following this method, complete the remaining pattern. Insert. Tie off on the back. Pass the needle under the stitches just made. Wrap the thread twice around the needle. Hold the wrapped area with your finger. Pull upward. Cut off the excess thread. This completes the back knot. This cable chain stitch is now complete. Let's look at the finished result.